news. So, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon to get latest news super fast. As promised by the company, the Honor 7X Oreo update has started rolling out in the United States. Arriving as EMUI 8.0, the update brings along several enhancements, in addition to the usual Oreo goodies, of course. The list includes the Face Unlock feature, a new floating navigation dock, updated setting menu and phone manager, phone gallery recycle bin, as well as ability to connect with two Bluetooth devices at same time. Project Treble support is included as well. Given that the rollout has just begun, it may take time for the update to reach all units in the country, so you need to be patient. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.